going to make Snakegourd Poriyal South Indian style, which you can pair with sambar, rice and other dishes. Here we have our Snakegourd. We have 4 Snakegourd. Here we have 3 green chili slit, 1 medium sized onion and few curry leaves. We have 1 small coconut grated in the mixer. We have few mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon salt. You can add as per your liking. We have added 3 teaspoon of oil. Now we're going to be adding 1 spoon of mustard seeds. We'll let it crackle. Now we're going to add the green chili, onion and curry leaves. We're going to keep stirring it until it gets a little bit brown. We are going to add 1 spoon of toor dal, which you can also call sambar dal. Now we are going to be adding the 500 gram of Snakegourd. You can take it as per your quantity and your portion. We are using 500 gram. Stir it well and add a little bit salt. We are adding salt. You can add as per your taste and liking. Now keep stirring. Cook in medium heat and cover it for 5 to 10 minutes. Cover for 5 minutes. We have left it for 5 minutes and now we are going to be adding grated coconut. We have grated 1 small coconut in the mixer. Now we are going to be mixing it. After you add the coconut, you can stir fry it and mix it for 10 to 15 seconds and it will be ready. Our Snakegourd Poriyal is now ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and we'll see you later. Bye.